Hi there, Coco Renzulli here with Bio Anti-Age. Today we are going to unbox our red light therapy sleeping bag. So I've just taken everything out of the box, and what is inside is 2 AC adapters, 2 power cords, 2 remote controllers, and 1 full body sleeping bag. Step 1, we're going to take our AC adapters and plug the power cord into both of the AC adapters. So both of them will look like this once they're plugged in. Next, we are going to take the end of our AC adapter that has this 2-headed prong, and we're going to plug it into the remote controller, into the side that has the hole for the 2-headed prong. So as you can see here, this is the remote controller. One side of it has a 3-piece head, and the other side has a 2-pronged hole. So I'm going to take the 2-pronged hole side and plug it into the 2-head of the AC adapter. I'm going to plug that in and twist it shut so it cannot come undone. And then we're going to do that with our other AC adapter as well. So after repeating that step with our other AC adapter, we now have 2 AC adapters that are connected to the remote controllers. The next step, we are going to plug the 3-headed part, the other side of the remote controller, in directly into the wire that comes out of the sleeping bag. So as you can see here, it's a 3 holes, and we're going to plug the 3-headed prong directly into it. And then we'll twist the lever so that it cannot come undone. We're going to repeat this step with our other AC adapter. The next step is we're going to plug both of the AC adapters into the wall. Now that we have both plugged in, we can use the remote to turn our red light sleeping bag on. I will peel this off so you can see the screen. Now that we have everything plugged in, you are ready to use your device. All you have to do is take the remote controller. You can change this time by clicking the setting button. It's going to immediately go to timer. Then you can click up or down to anywhere between 10 to 30 minutes. I typically do 20 minutes, just depending on how much time I have available. You want to leave the mode on red and near infrared. You want to leave the brightness on 100. You want to leave the frequency on null, and you want to leave the heartbeat off. If you change the frequency, it will make the lights flash. To stop that from happening, you have to keep the frequency on null. Again, so you choose whatever setting you want to change by clicking the setting button. And then you change it by clicking up or down. For example, if you want to put on just red light and not near infrared, or just near infrared and not red light, but we want to keep it on red and near infrared. Okay, and then we're going to click the power button. Once you're ready to use it, you just click the power button. So say you already have your device set, you turn it on, and it's already set to 20, you can just click the power button to start it. Once it finishes, you can click the power button again to start another cycle if you would like. So this device is 62 inches by 24 inches by 8 inches. It is about 10 pounds and the actual power is 190 watts. The spectrum is red light to near infrared light. If you have any questions, you can always refer to the manual. We recommend cleaning it with a gentle, damp cloth of water, or if necessary, white vinegar and water. Often people ask if eyewear is necessary. It's not necessary, it is optional. Red light therapy is good for your eyes and helps with macular degeneration. If you are not accustomed to the red light may appear very bright. In this case, you can wear goggles or glasses. Light therapy helps maximize cellular health. It is recommended to use it every day to every other day. Frequent use is recommended to relieve pain. I personally use it twice a day, every day. Make sure that the area that you are interested in treating is fully exposed to the red light. Red light therapy is safe even if you are taking medications. Red light therapy is also really good for pregnant women or children. It is safe. Red light therapy is amazing for enhanced cellular function, improved blood flow, recovery, healing, and performance, sleep optimization, skin and beauty health, mental acuity, anxiety, depression, inflammation, and pain relief. Red light therapy helps stimulate your body's natural ability to heal itself. Congratulations on your new device, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care.